I found. Oh, the size of that. Wow. That's the 360 camera, yeah. That's that's a little mini camera. No, they didn't pay for the air conditioning. Aircraft not connected to RC because it's turned on. Or maybe this is the new Mini. No, that'll be the new Mini, I think. That's the same size, but that's this is the new Mini. Mine's the model before. See, they also have battery packs. Another thing they sell. Those great big things, big power supplies.
Hello.
You can't sell me anything. I've already got it all.
Watch moving to the Philippines.
We'll see you there. So we had a look in the DJI Store, and there was a gentleman in there undecided what drone to buy, and I said, well, I've had 3 different DJI Minis, and I've got a DJI mic and a DJI Action 5, and I said I'd buy the new DJI Mini 5. And I think that's what he's going to do. And he said, "G'day." You said, "Okay." Security when you come into a place in the Philippines, and generally, if you're a white fella or a foreigner, they don't check you quite so much. So, Mum's coming through in a second. All he did was pass it through, he didn't even... You see everything in the Philippines. Wow. View out the back of MOA. Lots of ships. Still at MOA, and just entering the Cyberzone. There's the girls. The Cyberzone in MOA is amazing. They have a lot of gadgets, which we have bought some here before. There's a shop just for gadgets. And there's the Apple shop. is there more shops there?
Office. The SM office.
Oh, the office. Oh, I see. Oh, is that what it is? San Miguel? Ah.
The owner of that company is one of the owner of the AirAsia and the Meralco.
No, I wouldn't fly AirAsia. It was the last airline on the earth after yesterday's debacle.
It's San Miguel.
That's one crazy, enormous place. Convenience store. Pass that to Aireen, please. There's a ramen shop. That's a decent sized bike. It was putting his hand in my wallet. We've just discovered where we can get a great coffee in the Philippines. We're in Mall of Asia, and we're looking at the boxes of milk that they use. The milk is MilkLab. Guess what? It's Australian milk. Maybe that's why it's good coffee. I don't know. But it is very good coffee. So Aireen and I discovered it last night. We shared one, and we were just about fighting over it because coffee in the Philippines can be a little bit average. But guess what? Beautiful coffee. Good old. Where are we? French bakery. Let's have a look at the menu. French bakery. Yum. Great coffee.